Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle, and in this video we'll learn about for loop statement. And when you know exactly how many times you want the loop through a block of code, use the for loop instead of while. And let me show you the syntax of for loop. That is, for, in that we have statement 1, then statement 2, and then statement 3. So this is how the for loop works, and within that the code is there. And the first statement is usually executed one time before the execution of the block of code, and the second defines the condition for the code block, and the third is executed after the block of code has been executed. It is the same as the while loop, like while, then condition, and then code, and this is the ending. Suppose we are giving an increment at the end, and before while, suppose there is an int I that is equals to 5. So mainly this is the first statement, this is the second statement, and this is the third statement in for loop. In the same order the for loop also goes, and it makes it more easier. So let me show you with an example. Suppose for int num equals 0, that's the initial value, then num should be less than 5, and then num should be incremented once, and within that we will give the system out, that is value num. So let's see how it works. Here you can see we are getting the result that is looped through a particular line of code. So this is how the loop works in all these statements. And if you want, you can use here num plus equals 3 also, and here you can give equals 15, and let's run again. You can see we got the loop executed by adding 3 numbers to the num every time, like 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, till we reaches the condition 15. This is how it works. This is the for loop, and that's it guys for this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.